93% of customers are expected to have electricity restored. Restoration of the Roaring River pump in Westmoreland by January 15th, and the deployment of emergency mobile generation in Darlington the week of the 18th to the 24th. Continued partnership with local community leaders, members of parliament, councillors, and leveraging local communication channels to provide updates on estimated restoration timelines will continue. The only thing that I will say, Mr. Speaker, that we are still not at yet, which I hope to be at shortly, is some kind of projection of those 50,000 customers in the communities as to when they can expect to get back light. It will be a projection, but it is required because at this point in time, those 50,000 customers are the last mile. They are anxious. They see everybody else getting light around them and they don't have light. And all they want is some kind of estimation as to when will they get light. So I spoke to the JPS before coming here today, and they have told me that they will provide me with that and continue to update the members of parliament and the councillors and the citizens in the various areas. So I expect to have that by close of business tomorrow. So, Madam Speaker, I will stop at that just to say both Flow and Digicel are almost fully back up based on the fact that every time more customers and more areas get light, that helps them in terms of getting their systems back up. So, Madam Speaker, Mr. Speaker, let me thank the country. Let me thank especially those persons hardest hit for their patience, for their confidence in a good government led by Andrew Michael Otis. Taking hard decisions and standing by them. But more importantly than the decisions is the monitoring to make sure that we get what was promised and committed to us on behalf of the Jamaican people. And I close by saying, commitment made, commitment kept. Help continues to be on the way. May God bless Jamaica, land we love.
Member from Kingston East and Port Royal.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And I would like to join with the House Leader who earlier welcomed back members to this segment of the term for this financial year, and also to extend the best wishes to the Deputy Prime Minister, who we haven't seen in a while. We hope that he will be fully restored. He's doing well, very, very, very well. Mr. Speaker, the Minister of Energy has reported, and I believe a bit prematurely, because in his last statement, we were told that the government was going to commit some resources, $150 million US, to enable JPSCO to achieve full restoration of our country by the end of January. So sometimes we hear February creeping, but yeah. But I will give the minister the benefit of the doubt. And listen, we take no pleasure in people experiencing darkness. We want Jamaica to have a fully restored grid, and 100% of our people having access to electricity. And at no time did we berate the government for trying to assist in the funding. What we had a difficulty with was the arrangement that we were told about. And we still have a problem with it, because what the minister has said today is that those 50,000 customers in Westmoreland and elsewhere are not going to get their electricity.
By the end of January, 30 of the 51,000 will have back light. It is the 21,000 that is not ready to receive light that we have to work with through JSIF, through MLSS, and through whoever else to get them in a position. You're not in Paris, what's about? You're in Clarendon and you have all of your light already. Shut your mouth. So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, the member is misleading the House. 30,000 of the 51,000 will get back light. And the other 21,000 we will work with as quickly as possible.
Minister.
But it is beyond.
Minister.
It is. I'm on a point of order.
He's already on a
I'm
point
on a point of order. You sit
He's
down.
already on a point
You
of
sit
order.
down.
He's already on a
You
point
sit
of order.
down, madam. Madam, sit down. I am on a point of order.
He's on a point of order.
I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding.
Order.
Order, and I'm
He's
not
already-
yielding.
What is what?
I'm on a point of
No,
order.
Mr.
He's already on a point of order.
Here. You happy? You happy? You happy? You happy? Yeah, me say if you're happy. Yeah. Madam, Mr. Speaker. Mr.
Members.
Speaker. Mr.
Members.
Speaker. Can you turn on my
Members.
mic? It's not on. It's red. Mr. Speaker.
Let me just address the situation. There's a certain decorum that we are accustomed to in this house. And if we go outside of that, then there are rules and guidelines that we can use to bring it back. Do not allow us to go down that road. The minister rose on a point of order. The minister rose on a point of order. And you allow him to continue. If you continue to go down that road, then we will use the standing order accordingly. Continue, Mr. Minister. Turn the mic on.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I will say it again for clarification. The 51,000 that are out as of now, 21,000 are not ready for electricity. We are going to use the rest of this month to work with the 30,000 customers who do not have light, who can be restored at the shortest possible time. What I am saying, to make it clear, is that we have no control over that 21,000. JPS can only move when the infrastructure is in place. And we're going to use JSIF, and we're going to use Ministry of Labor and Social Security, Ministry of Local, whichever government collaboration we can do to target that 21,000 in those 4 parishes. We will do so, our 5 parishes, Mr. Speaker. I thank you for your understanding, and I hope now that the matter has been cleared of the mischief and the misleading commentary.
Member from Kingston Eastern and Port Royal. Okay.
Mr. Speaker, the minister, while he was speaking, on the mic, officially told us on the side to shut him out. And I heard nothing coming from you as Speaker of the House to call him to books. I believe that the uneven application of the rules is totally unacceptable. And this message to the students in the gallery is also one that is unacceptable.